Welcome to beautiful Bonaire. This move-in ready 5-bedroom home sits in a quiet cul-de-sac on a spacious. Inside, you'll find 2,772 square feet with room to spread out, including a formal dining room, laundry room, granite countertops, and all new appliances, offering minimal maintenance for years to come. The primary features a large tiled shower and private access to the enclosed back patio. This 0.51-acre lot with a brand new privacy fence and large backyard. Split floor plan and primary suite on the main level. Enjoy peace of mind with a brand new roof. Located just 10 minutes from Robins Air Force Base and zoned for Hilltop Elementary, Bonaire Middle, and Veterans High. Move-in ready and full of space, updates, and convenience. New LVP and carpet throughout, granite countertops, and all new appliances. Seller offering $5,000 in concessions. Listed by Nelia Bank's Landmark Realty.